This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Crime accused was not killed. That's the issue. Since
He was an accused of a rape and murder case when of a minor. For reconstruction of crime, he was taken to the place of occurrence. He was fleeing away, snatching the gun of the police.
Shot fires.
2 shots were fired. Ultimately, there was no other option. So the police also fired. On cross-firing, he expired. And there is a case was registered. Initially, UD case. Subsequently, police case was registered. Now the case has been transferred to CID for investigation.
Well, the encounter case has not yet been, according to our instruction, started.
Yes, it has been started.
Charge. Accused was
Mr. Bhattacharya, encounter case, it is given any separate.
Has to be. This is a separate murder case.
That has been done.
That has been done.
Yes, now that case is investigated by the CID. The entire case has been transferred.
The case has a huge ramification, and I allege this creation of a planned conspiracy. A prime accused, who is also another important witness in the case, he was taken. Witness in the sense that his defense is also important. Now that he was taken in custody by the police, 14 days.
What is the name of that person?
Prabhas Mondal. 14 days police custody was granted. On the second day, in the name of creation of the crime scene, at the dead of night, he was taken there and murdered.
That was done in terms of the statutory provision for reconstruction of the crime. Your lordship knows better than me. That is itself is in the BNSS.
I am not going to quarrel with Mr. Majumdar. The question comes: who had decided that dead of night they should reconstruction?
Because of mob fury, whole area, because whole area was shattered for 2-3 days. Thereafter, incident which happened
again, reconstruction and
the child was killed.
Anyway, let us see what is the report. We shall then proceed. This is a serious crime committed by the police.
Case 20. Special case হচ্ছে 156 এটা হচ্ছে যেটা
Case number
but regarding the custodial date of the person, the number of the case.
No, he was arrested on 5th.
Yes.
Tibakar. Now
no. We are only
Prabhas.
Page 23, Milord, when he was produced. Order number 2 dated 8th of July. After going through the petition, it appears that on 8th of July, when the accused person, namely Prabhas, who was in police custody in connection with this case, was taken to the place of occurrence for reconstruction of crime. Suddenly, the said accused person snatched the service revolver of one of the police personnel, escorting the said accused, and the accused shot fired directing the police personnel. It further reveals from the petition that SI Arghomandal of Baripur, in his private defense, fired a bullet at the said accused person. As a result, the said accused was injured in the incident, and immediately he was shifted to Baripur SG hospital for treatment. Now, this is the police version. No time is mentioned. Who had decided? Nothing is mentioned. Then, the court directed, it is discernible from the petition of SI Diganta Mondal, the accused Prabhas was alias Guli, was in PC in connection with this case, died an unnatural death while he was in police custody.
Yes.
Therefore, in view of the provision of section 196(2), a judicial inquiry by land magistrate is required to find out what is this fate.
That is still
very important, Milord, is how come, Milord, a person at dead night snatch? No, 162. বলতে চাইছি না ওর বার করবো ওখান থেকে পকেট বুক দিও না এগুলো সব ওর মুখস্থ আমার মুখস্থ থাকে না যে কোনো 196 হ্যাঁ ওটাই 176 হয়েছে
No, Mr. Majumdar, you initiated in terms of this order a proceeding under 196 too. Or
this is a UD case, unnatural death case. Subsequently, that case has been transferred to an FIR.
Because
then you registered an
unnatural death case. Then subsequently it was transferred in a FIR, a suo motu complaint by the police. And now that case has
Then what had been the fate of this judicial inquiry under 196(2)?
Milord, unnatural death, it's an inquest. Milord, inquest. We call it in earlier code, Milord, it calls inquest report. Ministerial inquest. Any unnatural death case, your lordship has a vast experience. Milord, there has to be a ministerial inquest. There has to.
But he's in police custody.
Every custody.
Now, let me not, Mr. Mazumdar produce the
Then
case
Mr.
record.
Majumdar, you file before us
Yes.
a report?
A report will file. Milord, on the next day, Milord, comprehensive report will file.
A
On six.
comprehensive about the
Entire procedure.
case numbers
Yes, yes.
and everything.
Everything. Milord will do that.
তারপরে
কবে করবে?
আপনি যখন 6 তারিখ বলুন।
4 তারিখ হবে না আপনার
পুরো ক্রিমিনাল টিম দিয়ে Yes.
Yes.
8 July. No, no,
7 জুলাই
the date Mulat occurred on the 7th of July, dead at night. And 8 July or the 7th of July.
7/8
He was arrested on 6th.
সেটা আমরা জানি না
This
8 July, Milord, 7 July after 12, so it's 8 July.
8
Intervening night between 7th and 8th.
7
7 midnight. Well, they may be Mulat on the 8th morning.
Early morning.
Uh,
the present writ petition has been preferred.